Do you ever get out of breath when climbing the stairs? Or maybe you feel tired after a long day, but it seems like no matter how much rest you get, you never really feel refreshed. These could be signs that something isn't quite right with your heart valves. Your heart valves are responsible for keeping the blood flowing in the right direction through your heart, and they play a vital role in maintaining good cardiovascular health. But did you know that over 25 million people around the world suffer from some form of heart valve disease? It can affect anyone, regardless of age or lifestyle. And in many cases, the symptoms are often overlooked or ignored until it's too late. That's why it's important to learn about the warning signs, so that you can seek help sooner rather than later. So if you want to find out whether you might be at risk for heart valve disease, keep watching this video. Are you at risk? The truth about heart valve dysfunction. Our heart valves are essential for ensuring that blood flows in one direction through our bodies. They open and close in a rhythmic cycle, allowing oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to pump from the heart to the rest of the body while preventing backflow. However, sometimes these valves don't function properly, which can lead to a range of health complications. But what exactly is heart valve dysfunction and who is at risk? To begin with, heart valve dysfunction occurs when one or more of the heart valves don't open or close correctly. This can lead to several issues such as blood clots, irregular heartbeats, and even strokes. People with certain medical conditions, like rheumatic fever, congenital heart defects, or coronary artery disease, are at a higher risk of developing heart valve problems. Additionally, age is also a significant factor, as the valves can become damaged or weakened over time, making it harder for them to function properly. Furthermore, lifestyle choices such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and a diet high in saturated fats can increase the risk of heart valve disease. So if you fall into any of these categories, it's important to be aware of the warning signs and seek medical attention if you experience any symptoms. By staying vigilant and proactive about your health, you can help ensure that your heart stays healthy and strong for years to come. The shocking reality of heart valve diseases. What you need to know. Heart valve diseases are more common than you think, affecting millions of people worldwide. These diseases can cause the valves in your heart to become stiff or leaky, making it harder for your heart to pump blood throughout your body. But what's really shocking is that many people may not be aware they're at risk for heart valve diseases. It can be difficult to know if you're at risk because the early signs and symptoms are often unremarkable or silent, meaning they don't cause any noticeable symptoms. As a result, many individuals don't seek medical attention until the condition has progressed to a more severe stage. But the truth is, understanding the risk factors for heart valve diseases is crucial for early detection and treatment. Some of the common risk factors include age, previous infections, congenital heart defects, and certain autoimmune disorders. If you have any concerns about your risk for heart valve diseases, it's important to talk to your doctor and get tested. By being proactive and informed, you can take control of your health and reduce the risk of developing serious complications from heart valve diseases. Heart valve problems explained, causes, symptoms, and treatments. Heart valve problems occur when the valves that control the flow of blood through your heart do unfunction properly. This can cause blood to leak backward or prevent it from flowing properly, leading to various symptoms depending on the severity of the problem. Some of the common causes include congenital defects, infections, inflammation, or calcification due to high cholesterol levels. The symptoms of heart valve problems can vary widely, but may include fatigue, shortness of breath, palpitations, and swelling in the legs, ankles, or abdomen. In some cases, there may be no symptoms at all. The best way to determine if you have a heart valve problem is to see your doctor for a checkup, especially if you experience any concerning symptoms. Treatment options depend on the underlying cause and severity of your symptoms, and may include medications, lifestyle changes, or in some cases, surgery. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent further complications and improve your overall quality of life. Don't wait until it's too late to take care of your heart health. Make an appointment with your doctor today and take the necessary steps to protect your cardiovascular system. 8 signs and symptoms you can't afford to ignore. When it comes to your heart health, you can't afford to ignore any warning signs. That's why it's important to be aware of the potential symptoms of heart valve problems. Here are 8 signs and symptoms that you need to look out for. Number 1. Symptoms may develop gradually. One of the challenges of diagnosing heart valve disease is that the symptoms can develop gradually over time. Often people don't notice them or assume they're due to other less serious conditions. This can delay seeking medical attention and allow the condition to worsen. It's essential to pay attention to any changes in your body, even if they seem minor. Regular checkups with your doctor are also crucial to monitor your heart health and catch any potential issues. Early on, know. 2. Are you at risk? Certain factors can put you at a higher risk of developing heart valve disease, including age, previous infections, congenital heart defects, and autoimmune disorders. Being aware of your risk factors can help you take preventive measures and seek early treatment if necessary. If you have any concerns about your risk for heart valve disease, don't hesitate to discuss them with your doctor. No. 3. Fatigue. Fatigue is a common symptom of heart valve disease. When your heart has to work harder to pump blood through the valves, it can make you feel tired and weak. This fatigue is not the same as regular tiredness from exercise or a busy day. It's a persistent feeling of exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. If you're experiencing this kind of fatigue, it's important to see your doctor and get checked out. No. For shortness of breath. Another sign of heart valve disease is shortness of breath. As the disease progresses, it becomes harder for your heart to pump blood effectively. This can make it difficult to breathe, especially when you're doing physical activity. You may find yourself catching your breath or feeling like you won't catch your breath when you exert yourself. No. 5. Palpitations. Palpitations are another telltale sign of heart valve disease. These are extra heartbeats or a feeling of your heart skipping a beat. It can feel like a fluttering or racing sensation in your chest. While palpitations can be caused by other factors, they're a common symptom of heart valve disease. No. 6. Swelling in your legs, ankles, or abdomen. Swelling in the legs, ankles, or abdomen can be a sign of heart valve disease. When the heart isn't pumping efficiently, fluid can build up in your body, causing edema. This can make your legs and ankles feel heavy and swollen, or you may notice that your abdomen is distended. Number 7. Chest pain or discomfort. Chest pain or discomfort, also known as angina, can be a symptom of heart valve disease. When your heart is working harder to pump blood through the valves, it needs more oxygen-rich blood. If it doesn't get enough, you may feel a squeezing or pressure-like pain in your chest. This pain can radiate to your arms, neck, or jaw. No. 8. Lightheadedness or fainting. If you're experiencing lightheadedness or fainting spells, it could be a sign of a serious heart valve problem. These symptoms can occur when your heart isn't pumping blood efficiently, causing you to feel dizzy or faint. It's essential to seek medical attention if you experience these symptoms. Don't wait until it's too late. Take charge of your health today. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. By understanding the warning signs of heart valve disease, you can take proactive steps to protect your heart. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and consult your doctor if you have any concerns. Your heart deserves the best care you can give. If you found this video informative, please consider liking it and sharing it with others. Your support helps us continue delivering valuable content. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more health insights.